Good morning. Okay, so this is our car. This is what it's looking like. You know, I was just walking through the aisle and I said, I know Dollar Tree got something great and good for me. Chill. Now, remember I showed you guys the burnt bees, okay? That they had a few weeks ago? Well, about last week, okay? This is Burnt Bees Baby Moisturizing Lip Balm, unscented, 100% natural origin, formulated for babies' delicate skin. And they had several. When I say several, I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it. Honey, well stocked. Okay, well stocked. They ain't playing. They are not playing, and they slanging. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get. Honey, you getting it? Okay, I want you to get this. Do understand and get that your life, your day, is going to get better once your perception gets better. Okay, let's say it again. Your life, your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Let me tell you something. I don't know who needs to hear this, but God is working in your favor. You know, sometimes we tend to go and experience trials and tribulations. We think like our whole lives is our whole life is just falling apart. Okay, but one of the things my great mentor Bob Proctor said was this, you know, order has to be created in your life. All right, order and movement. And so sometimes we can be a little stubborn, right? We perhaps don't want to move when we should move. And if you're not moving quick enough, sometimes God will get you to move. All right. And so to the person that's out there, I am here to tell you, your life is getting better. It may seem like it's falling apart. It may seem like, you know, everything is not working in your favor, but I could assure you that it is. A few months ago, well, not a few months, a few years ago, okay, experiencing anxiety and depression. I was, all right, 2018. I had made a decision that I was going to do different. I was going to get better, and I deserved better. Didn't know that I would be experiencing the trials and tribulations. You know, when you make a decision, you think like, oh, everything is going to be rainbows, unicorns, you know, everything is just going to be sunny every day. And I was in for a rude awakening. That's not exactly how life was, you know. And what I realized was this: when you make a decision to change your life, not everybody else is making that same exact decision to change their life. And sometimes it could be family members, right? Sometimes we feel like, you know, our family members, especially when you make the decision to change your life, our family members may be, you know, coming at us or attacking us. But honey, I could assure you that's not really what it is. See, the glue that once used to hold you and your family members together, those belief systems that you realize, some of them is not working in your favor. Some of them you don't want, you know, to keep on living by that belief system, because you realize that you deserve way more than what you have been given to yourself, than what you've been showing, how you've been showing up. And so I am here to tell you, my love, your life is getting better. Your life is getting better. I only want you, and I tell you guys this all the time, get you a notebook, okay? Dollar Tree is the place to be. Get you a notebook. Write down each and every day what it is that you desire for your life, what you want, not what you don't want, okay? And so with that being said, we at Dollar Tree in the place to be. From the background, you see, okay? Let's see what Dollar Tree has today. Okay. So item of the week, these water bottles. I had showed you guys these last time. They have the green ones, the brown, and the gray. Fancy pantsy. And these, my love, I just love these. Okay. Okay, these water bottles up here, I absolutely love these, honey. I had to cut my nails. I had to do my hair last night, okay? Listen, these come in about 3 different colors. You cannot, and I repeat, you cannot add hot liquids to this, all right? $1.25. And then Dollar Tree said, listen, Don't forget your drinks on the go. 8 drink mix packets, okay? They have the Hawaiian Punch, Sunkist, Pure Kick, Jolly Rancher, Hydrate, Snapple, honey, you name it, they claim it, okay? Now, my loves, okay? You know what? I love you guys, okay? Because you always put in the comments like, oh, this store has this for such and such. Now, I had heard Walmart sells these tier 1, these power strips, okay, for $18, all right? Dollar Tree has these for $1.25, and they have about 3 boxes of these. The tier 1 advanced power strip energy saving smart power bar, $1.25. 7 outlet surge protector. Honey, when I say fancy pantsy mancy, Dollar Tree moving their feet to the darn beat, I absolutely mean that in these streets. Okay, so last night I had purchased these. Well, actually yesterday afternoon I had purchased these. They wasn't the best. They not smelling. Okay, I don't really smell them like the one that I had purchased from Walmart. Okay, they not as intense. And I barely smell it, okay? But these are $1.25. In my opinion, this is a no. Alright, so I don't know who needs to hear this, okay? For your furry friend, I was walking past and I seen this. Everroot, I said, what in the world? Hip and joint plus salmon oil, okay? Non-GMO, verified, it says. Dog supplement, $1.25. When I tell you Dollar Tree is stepping it up for me. Now, I had showed you guys the Skin to Mate, alright, exfoliate and bath mitt that comes in different colors. They have the purple, the beige, they also have the pink and the blue, okay? Still deal like Holyfield. They also have the Skin to Mate microfiber hair towels, super soft and absorbent. Microfiber helps to reduce drying time. And this comes in about 3 different colors. They have the green, the pink, and the purple. Okay, so a few months ago, I had purchased this electronic nail kit, and it's okay, but I don't know, my bits over here, they be falling out, okay? But it's a 4-piece set, includes electronic base holder, shaping tool, cuticle pusher, and buffing tool. All right, and I thought this was absolutely amazing because, honey, it's $1.25. All right, and it comes in 2 different colors, the green and the purple. Have you guys ever tried the fried dill pickle chips, the UTZs? I wonder how these taste. Honey, you guys know I'm a sour cream and onion girl, okay? Sour cream and onion for life. And these are $3. Honey, look at how big these chips are. All of these are $3. Okay, so while I am here, I need to get a few things. You would have thought that I brought all the stuff that I needed yesterday, but didn't. Okay, so I'm going to get some paper towels. Alright, one roll. Look at it. Okay, so one thing says 100 sheets. Another thing says 96 sheets. Okay, let me see. This one says compare to sparkle. Okay. But honey, why would I go with the 96 when I could go with the 100? So I'm gonna get about 7 of these. Dang, I don't even have. I should have got me a card. Let's go get a card. Oop. Good morning. Okay, so remember I had told you guys Dollar Tree currently right now has the frozen food shelves 50% off. Okay, 50% off. That's not on all of frozen foods. It's just like selected items, but these are 50% off. Have you guys ever tried this Tingly sauce mixed by Ed and Tay? That's funny. This is $1.25. All right, an item that's really, really good is this cleaning paste, multi-purpose. When I tell you this is the truth, okay, honey, I mean it. This is the truth. I was cleaning my stove the other day with this, and I don't know if it's taking off the color from the stove. I don't know, but honey, this is the truth. Now, you may need a little elbow, work, but this is good, $1.25. And of course, this is the dupe, okay, from Pink. Okay, come on now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these because I told you guys these are really, really good. This is the dupe from Honey Pot, all right, and it's a 6 count, but they are overnight pads, really good. So I'm gonna get about 4 packs of these. Now, remember I told you guys about the Brazilian Mist face and body wipes. They are the truth, $1.25. Excellent. Okay, now this is the dupe from Sephora. I forgot the name of the perfume that they had, but it smells exactly like it. This is notes of pistachio and salted caramel, $1.25, and you get 30 wipes. All the yarn or whatever it is that you need, Dollar Tree definitely has it. And look at this, okay? So many ways to create DIYs. This is so cool, really, really nice. Absolutely love this. Okay, you can paint this stuff. Honey, you can make this stuff into whatever it is that you want to make it into. This is really nice. I think I'm going to start doing a little DIYs. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you want to see me do some DIYs. Let's get online. All right, honey, we getting online. Okay, Okay, so I'm gonna get my youngest children these. Okay, they mega sour sprays and they vegan. I just want to see, they may like this, okay? All right, 2 of these. I told you guys Dollar Tree is now carrying these, all right, the mini jar hair accessories. These are so good. I had brought my daughter 2 of these yesterday, all right, 20-piece claw clips, really, really cute. The butterflies, $1.25, still deal like holy